Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to record microphone audio in OBS Studio and set up your microphone correctly. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, in the bottom left corner of your screen, click the Start button. Once it opens, type Sound Settings into the search bar and then click on it from the results that appear. This will take you directly to your system's audio configuration page where you can manage all your input and output devices. Once you're in the Sound Settings window, navigate to the Input section. You'll see a drop-down menu there, and you need to click on it to reveal all available microphones connected to your system. From this list, select your preferred microphone that you want to use for recording. This ensures your computer recognizes which device you'll be using as your primary audio input. Right below that drop-down menu, you'll notice an option that says Device Properties. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up more detailed settings for your selected microphone, giving you greater control over how it functions. Now, on the right side of this new window, look for and click on Additional Device Properties. This will open yet another window with even more advanced settings for your microphone. At the top of this new window, click on the Advanced tab. Here's where things get important. You need to pay attention to the sample rate displayed here, which should show something like 48,000 Hz. Make sure to remember this number because you'll need to match it in OBS later. Once you've noted it down, click Apply first to save these settings, and then click OK to close the window. Now it's time to open OBS Studio. In the upper left corner of the application, click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is your main hub for configuring how OBS records and streams your content. In the left sidebar of the Settings window, click on Output. Navigate to the Output section at the top, click the drop-down menu next to it, and select Advanced from the list. This mode gives you much more control over your recording settings. Next, click on the Recording tab right below that. Here, navigate down to Audio Track. If you want to record multiple audio tracks separately, which is useful for editing later, simply check the boxes next to the tracks you want to enable. Now, in the left panel, click on Audio. At the top of this section, navigate to Sample Rate. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select 48 kHz. This should match the sample rate you noted earlier from your microphone properties. Keeping these values the same ensures your audio is recorded without any quality issues or compatibility problems. Scroll down to the section labeled Global Audio Devices. Here, click on the first drop-down menu that says Mic/Auxiliary Audio. From this list, make sure to select your correct microphone, the same one you configured in your system sound settings. This links your microphone directly to OBS so it can capture your voice properly. In the bottom right corner of the settings window, click Apply to save all your changes, and then click OK to close the window and return to the main OBS interface. Now, navigate to the Audio Mixer section, which is usually located in the lower middle part of your OBS window. Below it, you'll see a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the Advanced Audio Properties. In this window, make sure all your audio tracks are set to the first track. This keeps your setup organized and ensures everything records correctly. Once you've verified that, click Close. And that's it. Your microphone should now be working perfectly in OBS, and you're all set to start recording high-quality audio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.